This is going to be a simple and pretty quick video showing how to stop the hollow or rattling sound coming from the board's lights. For me, the sound happens when I have the 97mm PU wheels on, and that's because the board gets a lot more vibration from it. Now, if you don't know what the sound sounds like, here you go. Now this is actually a really easy fix. All you do is take off the 3 screws on each headlight and push the light off. To stop the vibration sound from happening, you put tape to fill up the gap and make it not as hollow. For me, I used electrical tape, but probably whatever tape you have will work just fine. Now, once you fill in the gap enough where there's a bit of a struggle to put the light back, you just put the light on and retighten the screws. For me, this fixed my issue, but if you still have a sound, you should probably make sure your truck is nice and tight and that your wheels aren't really loose. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe for future videos.